Now, have you ever wondered what babies are really thinking or how toddlers learn new skills? Kids learn so much, so fast. They are really pretty amazing. Now, babies, when they're born, actually already have all of their brain cells or neurons, all 86 billion of them. Uh, but over the first few years of their lives, they are developing a ton of neural connections, actually 1 million per second, building up the framework that underpins their understanding of the world. Now, scientists who study how kids learn have a lot of tricks up their sleeve for figuring out what's going on, in a child's mind. Traditionally, these kinds of tricks involve meeting up in person with study participants in a lab. But more and more, and especially just recently due to the novel coronavirus, labs are looking for online ways to connect with study participants. And at the lots of families are finding themselves at home and spending time together more than ever before. These unprecedented circumstances have led researchers at MIT's Early Childhood Cognition Lab to make the most of this unique opportunity and push to help scientists meet parents and children where they are online. Their new citizen science website, which is called Children Helping Science, debuted just in May, and it collects together dozens and dozens of studies from all over the world that are for kids to sign up and help them understand child development. Over the past several years, researchers have proven that study methods using online technologies like internet browsers and webcams can reliably record things like where on the screen a child is looking, or how long she looks at it, and her responses to prompts. And these are really important tools because even if a baby is too young to tell you what she's thinking, her attention, what she pays attention to, is a big clue. So the fact that online tools can track this information means that remote studies have some serious science potential. So to take just one example, did you know that when you were a baby, you already understood physics? One MIT study called Your Baby the Physicist looks at how babies between 4 and 12 months of age understand the world around them. So in multiple brief sessions, babies are shown pairs of videos through Lookit, which is a platform for recording and analyzing the baby's response. For example, on the left, they're shown a video of a ball rolling down a ramp. And on the right, they're shown the same video, but this time the ball rolls up the ramp instead. Researchers can measure which video holds the baby's attention more, and it turns out that babies are fascinated by objects that seem to defy gravity or disobey other laws of physics. They know something is just not right about that. So even at just a few months old, babies have absorbed a lot of information about the world around them. So Your Baby the Physicist is just one of many, many studies collected on the new Children Helping Science citizen science site. The different studies are grouped by age, ranging from newborns all the way to teenagers and beyond. There are even studies looking for parents to participate. And by expanding these studies online, the researchers are able to reach participants that might not be able to come into a physical lab to take part, like families that live far away, or families that can't come at a particular time, or at the moment, families that are quarantining. So researchers are really excited about this too, because they need lots and lots of participants of all kinds to gain clear results. And recruiting enough families is always a huge challenge. Online recruitment through Children Helping Science will help them gather more data than ever before, and it'll allow them to see more detailed and more reliable results. So here's an example of one little physicist completing many study sessions, which allows the team to take multiple snapshots of her behavior, even seeing how it might change over time. In fact, Children Helping Science makes it so easy to get involved that researchers hope to pursue longitudinal studies, which means they're following children over a long period of time to track their development. And if families participate in multiple studies they find on the website, we may be able to start understanding the timing of when different skills develop and how they're related. One lead researcher described this platform as the Hubble telescope of child development because of the never before seen depth of focus it can provide by widening the lens or the net to gather lots and lots of participating families. So if you've got little ones interested in pitching in, check out childrenhelpingscience.com, and who knows, maybe we'll see some more coolest science stories in the future.